Hello friends. Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you an easy and completely free way to fully uninstall any software from your Windows system. Often, software doesn't get completely removed, which can cause issues down the line. Stick around till the end and you'll see exactly how to do it. For our example, I'm using an error I encountered while launching GTA 5. It says, sorry, there isn't enough space to install the Rockstar Games launcher on your computer. At least 1 GB is required. But that's not the real problem here. This happens because the Rockstar Games launcher wasn't properly uninstalled. So, it's preventing a reinstall. If you're on Windows, you might have experienced similar issues. To fix this, we need to completely remove everything related to the problematic software. As promised, I'm going to show you how to completely remove any software easily and for free. For this, I'll be using Geek Uninstaller. It's a small but powerful executable. Just download it from their website. I'll be using the free version for personal use. Download the zip file, and after unzipping, you'll get the exe file. Now, just run it. You can choose between desktop apps or Microsoft Store apps. In the Action tab, you'll see various actions you can perform. Let's find the Rockstar Games launcher application. Here, you can see it's not really an application anymore, just some leftovers from the uninstalled application. Normally, removing these can be a bit tricky, but with this tool, it's a breeze. Let's try to uninstall it. As you can see, it fails because it's already uninstalled. Geek Uninstaller suggests removing the program entry to fix the issue. Let's do that and see if it works. Within just a few seconds, it scans for leftover files and identifies them. Now, let's remove them. Let's see if this fixes our issue. And look at that, the prompt to reinstall the Rockstar Games launcher has appeared. That means the issue is fixed. Geek Uninstaller has completely removed the problematic program files from the system. Let's wait and see if this actually works. Will I be able to run the game correctly after this process? Finally, I'll share what else you can do with Geek Uninstaller. As promised, here are some other features of this tool. Geek Uninstaller can help you find hidden or unknown programs. If you suspect something fishy or can't remember installing a program, don't worry, you can use this option to search for it on Google. And as I showed you earlier, you can completely remove programs very easily. It's a valuable feature that comes with this free tool. That's it guys, if you found this video helpful, drop a comment, smash that like button, and share it with your friends. And hey, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. You won't want to miss what's coming up next. Thanks for watching. Until next time, happy coding!